Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to take the front arm out of the car. But before you watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to work on this RC car. Before we start with step number 1, of course you need to take few parts away of the car. First of all, the skid plate must be out, as well as the shock, hub, steering link and roll bar. But I want to show you the quickest and the least exhausting way to do it, with taking only a few screws that will allow you to take the whole arm out of the way. So what we will do, take out the lower pivot ball, only the lower screw of the shock, and only the set screw on the roll bar mount. That will be enough to take the roll bar off, but of course if you follow the standard route and follow all of the printed manuals we prepared for you, you will be also good to go. Now you can see we create a little bit of a mess, but as you can see we disattach all of the element that goes in the front arm. If you watch the video of the rear arm disassemble, you can see that the bracing have the little plastic inserts. In front they do not, because here pins are not angled, so they can be just straight holes here. In step number 2, you are just taking the pin out and you set the front arm free. But there's also one little tiny washer here to kill the gap between the braces. Just simply don't lose it. Step number 3 and the final one, you can remove the collars from all of the sides, and of course take out the drop screw from here. Don't remember about the screw, because if you don't take it out, you will most likely throw it in the trash when you replace the broken arm. Of course, if you want to put it back together, you simply need to reverse the steps. There's only one trick here. If you want to make it extra solid and add a little bit more durability, you can of course glue these collars into its place with, for example, epoxy glue or cyanoacrylate. It's not necessary. And remember, if you glue it, they will stay here forever, and basically you will need to get new collars with a new arm. And we are all done. The front arm is replaced. Of course, the right side works exactly the same like the left side. As I mentioned in the main video, of course you can have millions of ways to do each and every change of this car. And if you think a little bit, you can manage to take a little bit less screws and cut some time. On the paper manuals, we want to make it as clear and clean as possible, but here I took my chance to show you how to make all of these things a little bit easier. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of the videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course follow Team Corally on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, please contact us via support@corally.com, and if you want to check this car and each and every car in our lineup, please visit word.corally.com. That will be it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.
Team Corally, engineered to be the fastest.